Welcome to our The Ladder's online job platform review. In this video, we'll be diving into the key features of The Ladders, a platform designed for professionals looking to take their careers to the next level. Be sure to check out the links to The Ladders in the description below after watching. The Ladders is a premium job platform aimed at executives and senior level professionals. If you're a manager, director, or C-suite executive looking for high-paying job opportunities, The Ladders is specifically designed with you in mind. Unlike other job boards that cater to a broad range of industries and job levels, The Ladders focuses exclusively on jobs that pay $100,000 or more, making it a great tool for those looking to advance their careers or explore higher-paying opportunities. One of the key features of The Ladders is its personalized job recommendations. The platform uses a sophisticated algorithm to recommend jobs that match your experience, skills, and career preferences. You can filter jobs by industry, location, and salary, and you'll get access to exclusive listings that aren't available on other job sites. This makes it much easier to zero in on relevant opportunities without having to wade through hundreds of unrelated job postings. Another standout feature is the career resources that The Ladders provides. From resume optimization tips to interview coaching, The Ladders offers valuable tools to help you stand out in a competitive job market. You can also access career advice articles and industry insights, ensuring you stay informed and ahead of the curve. For employers, The Ladders offers tools to post job openings, search resumes, and connect with high-level candidates directly. The platform makes it easier for companies to find top-tier talent for senior-level positions. In summary, if you're an executive or a high-level professional aiming to take the next step in your career, The Ladders is a focused, efficient, and resource-rich platform that helps you find the right opportunities quickly and easily. Don't forget to check out the links in the description to get started.